Hello friends, we are back with another video and this is how we are taking the 4 different triangles and trying to make this face with the help of these triangles over here. And this is how we have made lovely eyes and we are trying to give this nice look so that we can create a nice lion face over here. Now using the second triangle that we have made, it's a bird look we are trying to create over here so that it looks something like this cute bird. Now using the third triangle we are giving another shape and this is how we are trying to give this nice cartoon shape or a fish look over here. Next, it's another thing we are trying to make using the same shape and it's another cartoon shape. We have created a nice giraffe tried to showcase like this. So moving ahead, it's another thing that we will make now and it's a lovely thing trying this big eyes over here and a bird look that we are creating so easily using so simple steps here, and the legs we can create here and make this nice cute cartoon bird with the help of simple steps. Now we are giving the colors and looks to this nice cute cock. Next we are trying to make some other face and this is the nice ear we are drawing here and making this nice lion hair over here, and cute eyes we are trying to depict here and making such a lovely drawing and a cute one. This is how we are trying to create a nice lion, and the things that we can draw ahead and make something like this lovely lion thing over here with a long tail. Next, it's another thing that we will make and this is how we are trying to make this thing and drawing the patterns on top, and this is how we are trying to create something like this nice dragon shape over here, and this is how it's another thing that we will make and it's another shaped dragon that we are trying to create here. Different kind of looks we can create and design our own dragon. Next, we are making another shape and we are trying to design another like dragon shape over here, and this is how we are giving this nice looks of this cartoon having dangerous images or shapes over here. This is how one innocent one is drawn. Next, we are trying to make a nice ear with this nice bunny face, and this is how we are trying to make something like this, a nice cute bunny over here. The eyes can be made a big glittery eyes, and this is how we have drawn such a cute bunny face, and it's a lovely thing that we are making and it's a carrot. Next, it's another big eyes that we have made and this is how we are trying to give this nice cartoon kind of look over here, making the things over here and making the hands like this so that it looks like somewhat crab hands over here, and this is how we are trying to draw the shapes and patterns like this and making this nice insect and with nice colors over here. Next, it's another thing that we will make now, this time with another shape, and the first face that we are making is something like this cute cat. Next, it's another face that we will make and it's something like again a cute cat look over here. First one is colored in such a way so that it makes it more attractive and beautiful. Second one is also.